Hi there, looking for a safe and reliable broker in 2025? Let's dive into Austinpips Limited, a fast-growing name that's winning the trust of traders worldwide. Traders are speaking loud and clear. On Trustpilot, Austinpips holds an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars from more than 2,000 reviews. Most users love it for fast withdrawals, fair trading fees, and responsive support. Getting started is easy. You can open an account with just $100. And the best part? You get access to a wide range of assets: Forex, commodities, indices, crypto, and global stocks, all on the powerful MetaTrader 5 platform. Austinpips is gaining huge popularity, especially in India, the UK, UAE, Nigeria, and South Africa. In fact, their website traffic has doubled in just 1 year, a clear sign that traders trust and recommend them. Safety matters. Austinpips domain has been active for over 5 years with no downtime, showing rock-solid stability. Plus, they offer flexible payments, from bank transfers and cards to crypto wallets and e-wallets, with same-day processing on digital methods. So is Austinpips legit? With strong customer loyalty, rapid growth, and high trust scores? The answer is yes. If you're looking for a reliable broker in 2025, Austinpips Limited definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching and happy trading.